To battle, my brave pieces. Today the goal is to capture the center and beat the crap out of the Black King.
That's so cool, my king. Did you learn some new opening?
Yes, my sacrifice. I mean brave warrior. D-Pawn, take the center. I won't let you go any further. Pawn, stop her.
So far everything is standard. By the way, what's the name of this new opening?
The Blackmar Deemer Gambit.
Cool. Wait. Gambit?
Yes, E4 pawn. Gambit.
But I'm an E2 pawn. You son of a bitch.
Knight. Attack this pawn. Avenge this useless. I mean, fearless pawn.
Me knight, me attack.
What the dog doing?
Knight. Defend this pawn.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, retarded brother. Touch our pawn and you'll be instantly exterminated. Black always protect each other.
White protects each other too, right? F pawn.
Yes, my king. Wait. Why am I standing on the yellow square? You son of a bitch.
It's time for revenge. No more pawn will die, as long as I live. Oh, I forgot about you.
It's time to get an advantage for sacrificed pawns. Bishop, develop yourself. With tempo.
How about I just go here and attack your pawn? With tempo. What will you do? Sacrifice another pawn?
Don't do it.
Just not this pawn. It's my favorite. One day I'll turn it into a queen.
What did you just say?
I mean, it's time to castle. With tempo.
Look, my king, I can go to g4 and attack the queen and the rook at the same time. The queen will probably retreat, so I'll take the rook, even if it costs me my life.
Your heroic deed will not be forgotten. Go ahead.
Shit, I have to go, but if I change position, the bishop will take this rook. Oh, I see, I can go to g3 and if he takes rook I can attack on c7 and threaten to checkmate in one move. But I don't know what to do if bishop comes back to g4 and controls square c8 again.
But I do know. Knight. Look, you can forky after b5. Bishop will protect you.
Forky.
You son of a bitch.
White, you've gone too far in your sacrifices. Even if you take c7 pawn and take my rook, you'll still have less material. I don't need material. Like I said from the beginning, I need the center. The center vertical. Knight. Forky. What are you talking about? Wait. What's this symbol and why can't I move? Oh, I see. Grab the center, right?
Forky.
Shit.